Which ruler is known as the Napoleon of India? Answer: Samudragupta. Samudragupta of the Gupta dynasty was known for his military conquests, earning him the title. Who was the first Governor-General of independent India? Answer: Lord Mountbatten. Lord Mountbatten served as the last Viceroy of India and the first Governor-General post-independence. In which battle did Akbar defeat Rana Pratap of Mewar? Answer: Battle of Haldighati. The Battle of Haldighati was fought in 1576 between Akbar's forces and Rana Pratap, where the latter was defeated. Who was the founder of the Mughal Empire? Answer: Babur. Babur, a descendant of Timur and Genghis Khan, founded the Mughal Empire after the Battle of Panipat in 1526. Who was the first Indian woman to preside over the Indian National Congress? Answer: Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was elected as the first Indian woman president of the Congress in 1925. Which Indian king defeated Alexander's general Seleucus Nakator? Answer: Chandragupta Maurya. Chandragupta Maurya defeated Seleucus Nakator in 305 BCE and secured control over territories west of the Indus. During whose reign did the Chinese traveller Xuanzang visit India? Answer: Harshavardhana. Xuanzang visited India during the reign of Harshavardhana in the 7th century. Who gave the slogan, "Do or Die," during the Quit India movement? Answer: Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhiji gave this slogan during the Quit India movement launched in 1942. Who was the first Sultan of Delhi to introduce the practice of sajda, prostration, in court? Answer: Balban. Sultan Balban introduced the Persian custom of sajda and pabos to assert his authority over the court. Which Gupta ruler was known as Vikramaditya? Answer: Chandragupta II. Chandragupta II, known as Vikramaditya, was a powerful ruler known for his patronage of the arts. Who was the first Indian Governor-General of India? Answer: C. Rajagopalachari. C. Rajagopalachari was the first Indian to serve as Governor-General after Lord Mountbatten. The doctrine of lapse was introduced by which British Governor-General? Answer: Lord Dalhousie. The doctrine of lapse allowed the British to annex princely states if the ruler died without a male heir. The title, Sikandar-i-Azam, was given to which ruler? Answer: Alauddin Khilji. Alauddin Khilji assumed the title, Sikandar-i-Azam, due to his military achievements. Which Indian ruler built the famous Sun Temple at Konark? Answer: Narasimhadeva I. The Sun Temple at Konark was built by King Narasimhadeva I of the Eastern Ganga dynasty in the 13th century. Who was the first Muslim invader of India? Answer: Muhammad bin Qasim. Muhammad bin Qasim invaded India in 712 CE and conquered the Sindh region. Who founded the Brahmo Samaj? Answer: Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Raja Ram Mohan Roy founded the Brahmo Samaj in 1828 to reform Hindu society. Which battle marked the beginning of British rule in India? Answer: Battle of Plassey. The Battle of Plassey in 1757 was won by the British East India Company, marking the start of British rule. Who wrote the book, Indica? Answer: Megasthenes. Indica is an ancient Greek text by Megasthenes, describing India during the Maurya dynasty. Who was the founder of the slave dynasty in India? Answer: Qutb-ud-Din Aibak. Qutb-ud-Din Aibak, a general of Muhammad Ghori, established the slave dynasty in 1206. Who was the first woman ruler of India? Answer: Razia Sultana. Razia Sultana was the first woman to ascend the throne of Delhi in 1236. Which Indian freedom fighter was called Deshbandhu? Answer: Chittaranjan Das. Chittaranjan Das was a prominent freedom fighter and lawyer, known as Deshbandhu. Who introduced the Mansabdari system in the Mughal administration? Answer: Akbar. Akbar introduced the Mansabdari system to organize the military and civil services. Who was the Viceroy of India during the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? Answer: Lord Chelmsford. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place in 1919 during Lord Chelmsford's tenure. Which king is famous for the construction of the iron pillar near Qutub Minar? Answer: Chandragupta II. The iron pillar was erected during the reign of Chandragupta II and is known for its rust-resistant properties. The Swadeshi movement was started in response to which event? Answer: Partition of Bengal. The Swadeshi movement was launched in 1905 to oppose the partition of Bengal by the British government. Who was the last ruler of the Maurya dynasty? Answer: Brihadratha. Brihadratha was the last Mauryan ruler, killed by his general Pushyamitra Shunga. Which Indian nationalist leader is known as the Lion of Punjab? Answer: Lala Lajpat Rai. Lala Lajpat Rai earned the title for his strong stance against British rule. Who composed the national anthem of India? Answer: Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore composed Jana Gana Mana, which was adopted as India's national anthem. Which British viceroy is associated with the partition of Bengal in 1905? Answer: Lord Curzon. Lord Curzon ordered the partition of Bengal in 1905, which was later annulled in 1911 due to strong opposition. Who was the first Indian ruler to accept the subsidiary alliance introduced by Lord Wellesley? Answer: Nizam of Hyderabad. The Nizam of Hyderabad was the first Indian ruler to enter into the subsidiary alliance in 1798. The Pune Pact was signed between Mahatma Gandhi and which leader? Answer: B. R. Ambedkar. The Pune Pact was signed in 1932 to resolve the issue of separate electorates for Dalits. Who built the Red Fort in Delhi? Answer: Shah Jahan. The Red Fort, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, was built by Shah Jahan in 1648 as the palace of his fortified capital. Who was the first Governor-General of Bengal? Answer: Warren Hastings. Explanation: Warren Hastings was the first Governor-General of Bengal, serving from 1773 to 1785. Which movement was started by Mahatma Gandhi to protest against the Rowlatt Act? Answer: Non-Cooperation Movement. Gandhi initiated the non-cooperation movement in 1920, following the Rowlatt Act and the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Who was the leader of the Bardoli Satyagraha? Answer: Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Patel led the Bardoli Satyagraha in 1928, earning him the title Sardar. In which year was the first Battle of Panipat fought? Answer: 1526. The first Battle of Panipat was fought in 1526 between Babur and Ibrahim Lodi, marking the beginning of Mughal rule in India. Who founded the Arya Samaj in 1875? Answer: Swami Dayananda Saraswati. Swami Dayananda Saraswati founded the Arya Samaj to reform Hindu society based on the Vedic teachings. The third Battle of Panipat was fought between which two powers? Answer: Marathas and Ahmad Shah Abdali. The third Battle of Panipat in 1761 was fought between the Marathas and Ahmad Shah Abdali, resulting in a major defeat for the Marathas. Who is known as the father of the Indian Renaissance? Answer: Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Raja Ram Mohan Roy was called the father of the Indian Renaissance for his efforts in social and educational reform. Who was the last Mughal emperor of India? Answer: Bahadur Shah II, Bahadur Shah Zafar. Bahadur Shah Zafar was the last Mughal emperor, exiled to Rangoon after the revolt of 1857. Which Indian leader was popularly known as the Grand Old Man of India? Answer: Dadabhai Naoroji. Dadabhai Naoroji was a prominent freedom fighter and the first Indian to be elected to the British Parliament. Who was the founder of the Chola dynasty? Answer: Vijayalaya Chola. Vijayalaya Chola founded the Chola dynasty in the 9th century by capturing Tanjore. Who was the first Indian to pass the Indian Civil Services exam? Answer: Satyendranath Tagore. Satyendranath Tagore, brother of Rabindranath Tagore, was the first Indian to qualify for the Indian Civil Services in 1863. Who led the revolt of 1857 in Delhi? Answer: Bahadur Shah Zafar. Bahadur Shah Zafar, the last Mughal emperor, was declared the symbolic leader of the revolt in Delhi. Who was the founder of the Pala dynasty? Answer: Gopala. Gopala, elected by the nobles, founded the Pala dynasty in Bengal in the 8th century. Which social reformer is credited with the abolition of sati? Answer: Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Raja Ram Mohan Roy's efforts led to the abolition of the sati practice through legislation in 1829. Who built the city of Fatehpur Sikri? Answer: Akbar. Akbar built the city of Fatehpur Sikri in the 16th century, which served as the Mughal capital for a brief period. In which year was the Indian National Congress founded? Answer: 1885. The Indian National Congress was founded by A.O. Hame in 1885 as a platform for political dialogue among Indian leaders. Who was the first Indian to become a member of the British Parliament? Answer: Dadabhai Naoroji. Dadabhai Naoroji was the first Indian to be elected to the British Parliament in 1892, representing Finsbury Central. The Simon Commission, which was boycotted by Indians, was appointed in which year? Answer: 1927. The Simon Commission was appointed in 1927 to review the Government of India Act 1919, but it was boycotted as it had no Indian members. Who was the founder of the Prarthana Samaj? Answer: Atmaram Pandarang. The Prarthana Samaj was founded by Atmaram Pandarang in 1867 with the aim of reforming religious and social practices in India. Who was the first Sultan of Delhi to issue regular currency and declare Delhi as the capital of his empire? Answer: Iltutmish. Iltutmish was the first Sultan to issue silver coins and made Delhi the capital of the Delhi Sultanate in the early 13th century. Which Indian freedom fighter is known as the Nightingale of India? Answer: Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu, a prominent poet and freedom fighter, was called the Nightingale of India for her contributions to Indian literature. The permanent settlement of Bengal was introduced by which Governor-General? Answer: Lord Cornwallis. Lord Cornwallis introduced the permanent settlement in 1793, which fixed the land revenue and made zamindars hereditary landowners. Who was the leader of the Congress Socialist Party during the freedom struggle? Answer: Jayaprakash Narayan. Jayaprakash Narayan, a prominent leader, was associated with the Congress Socialist Party, advocating socialist principles during the freedom struggle.